Hello everybody, today I am going to show you to make marigold flowers. See on the screen, this is the marigold flower. This is small marigold flower. And second in my hands, this is the big marigold flower. These are two marigold flower you can make in easier way. So for that, take a small strip for the marigold flower of the tissue paper. Similar you can take for big marigold flower, big strips. The measurement is approximately 7 to 8 inch. So here you can see that one paper of strips of marigold flowers. So it is already cutted. You can fold the paper like this and you can cut it use of scissors. Like this you can cut it in very nearest distance. After cutting you can see like this effect of flaps. So here is the flap is ready. Previous I showed to you for small paper for rolling a tube like a branch. So I am rolling a tube of the marigold strips. Slowly you can roll up the flap of the marigold strips slowly on over it. Last you can get it flower like this. Small pen you use for finishing. Then after that you can paste a golden or silver strips on it. Look at this. Your paper flower is ready. You can color also this paper flower on it use of small brush. So you can see here, see the color marigold flower. Take the brush in watercolor and you simply touch up the all petal with color, yellow color. Don't use too much color, only get it touch up of yellow color. So here you see in my hands one small marigold flower and one big marigold flower. You can roll up a green paper on it for the effect of branch.